Hey guys, welcome to my video. So guys, see, this is my downspout. It's coming all the way from roof, and because of now temperature rising, lot of water coming out, and overnight because it goes to sub-zero, you see the condition here. So if you have a house, these are the areas that are really sensitive to temperature fluctuation. Now it is too slippery because it's full of ice, and even a small misstep here could lead to a mishap. Okay, and if you have people, those who use this area frequently, like if you have for example tenants, those who use this area to go to their unit, you have to get it properly. If you move away from this area, see there, you see it's fine, but this area is like too much of water accumulation. So what you have to do, melt it, either bring an ice scraper or else, because now the temperature is like around 1 or 2 degrees, so even salt is a good solution. You can hear it the moment salt is falling. You can hear this melt. I'll add in good quantity because I don't want any mishap. So this is something you should definitely be very careful with. Okay guys, it can protect someone's life. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.